Hi, Anna. I found two hotels for our vacation next month, the Blue Ocean Hotel and the Happy Days Hotel. I can't decide which one to book.
Oh, nice. Tell me more. Which one do you like better?
Hmm. The Blue Ocean Hotel is better than Happy Days Hotel in many ways. It's near the beach, and it has a big swimming pool. The rooms are larger and brighter, and they all have a sea view.
That sounds lovely. But I bet it's expensive, right?
Yeah, it's a bit more expensive than Happy Days Hotel, but I think it's worth it. It looks cleaner and more comfortable, and the reviews say the staff are very friendly.
What about Happy Days Hotel? Maybe it's cheaper?
Yes, it is cheaper than Blue Ocean Hotel, but it's also smaller and noisier. It's in the city center, so there are more people and more traffic. The breakfast is also simpler, no fruits or cakes, just bread and coffee.
Oh, that doesn't sound great. I like quiet mornings with a nice breakfast.
Exactly. And the Blue Ocean Hotel has a big garden with palm trees and a restaurant by the sea. It looks more relaxing than Happy Days.
I see. What about the rooms?
The rooms at Blue Ocean are nicer and more modern, with big windows. At Happy Days, they look older and darker. Some guests even said the air conditioning is weak.
Oh no, that would be terrible in summer. I think Blue Ocean sounds much better than Happy Days.
Yes, I agree. It's more expensive, but also more peaceful and more beautiful. I'd rather pay a bit more and enjoy the vacation.
Me too. A comfortable place will make the trip more enjoyable. Let's book the Blue Ocean Hotel today before someone else takes the last room.
Great idea. This vacation will be better than the last one. More sunshine, more sea, and more fun.
I can't wait. It will be the best vacation ever.